Okay, this is for Signature Solar slash the EG4 guys. I really like the battery. Great battery, great design, being sealed, weatherproof, all that. I have a suggestion for, it would be quite a change, but I think it would save you a lot of money in the long run as we go forward with this battery, or if you're designing a newer one in the future. So basically my idea is, see the bottom portion of this is all stacked LiFePO cells. And then in the top portion is the BMS, the circuit breaker, the wiring for the display, the bus bars. My suggestion is that you build this in two pieces. You build it so that in the top piece you have all of the electronics, the BMS and the switches, the display, circuit breaker, all of those type things. You have it all in the top. Still sealed. Have it to where you just have a couple of fasteners on each side that bolts the two pieces together, but it's a sealed unit. The bottom part is the battery pack. It's a sealed unit. And what this allows, so when someone has a problem with the battery, 99% chance it's going to be with the electronics, the BMS or the display or something in that area. You're probably not going to have an issue with an actual cell. It could happen, yes, but the probability is that it's going to be in the electronics. So when I need to send this back for warranty repair, instead of having to ship 350 pounds, palletized, hazmat, all of that, back for repair, and then you having to handle it, disassemble it, work on it, put it all back together, test everything, and again, ship 350 pounds back to me, hazmat with all of those extra things that go along with that, you could just ship back and forth the electronics package. So, very simple, two separate pieces. You could use the same battery cables that you use, or connectors and cables that you use now to connect the battery pack to the top. You would just have a separate connector for the positive and the negative terminals. You could have a mil-spec IP rated connector that would connect the electronics, you know, your temp sensors, your voltage sensors, your fire suppression packs from the electronics unit down to the other one. So that's basically what you would end up with. Overall, once the design was done and the changes implemented, the actual cost of manufacturing that battery would only be slightly increased. But over the many years that you're going to be producing these, and you're going to have to do warranty repairs and such as that, or maybe you even do an upgrade. Hey, I got an upgrade for you. We got a brand new BMS, it's better, it's more reliable, it does whatever, you know, whatever the case may be. I could just send you back the electronics package instead of an entire 350 pound battery. So that is my idea. Take it and do with it as you see fit. But if you have any thoughts or questions, please leave them in a comment. But the video is really for the Signature Solar EG4 folks that design and build this stuff. Thank you.